So teaching a stay is something that a lot of people struggle with. I get questions all the time about how to get a dog to hold their position in whatever position you put them in and can trust that they stay there. But the mistake that people make, the big one, the main one, is that they don't reinforce the dog where the dog is holding the stay. What you usually see is something like this. Nova, sit. Good. Stay. Okay. That is a mistake. That is not what you want to do. To really develop a solid stay position, you want to reinforce the dog where they're holding the stay. It doesn't matter if it's a down stay, a stand stay, or a sit stay. The rule for the stay is reinforce them where they are. You always return to them to give them the reward of a sit, stay. Good. Good. Okay. And then release, of course. You always have to have the release after the stay. So the dog learns that the only time that they're allowed to move is when you release them. And right there, that is a simple example, or a very simple example of how to start the stay process. Sit, stay. Good. One step back. They hold it. Step towards them. Good. Good. Okay. From there, you just gradually build up more and more. Nova, sit, stay. Good. Good. Nope. They break the stay, put them back in position. Sit, stay. Good. 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 Nope. Sit. Good. Okay. And being consistent with the nopes and not reinforcing them when they break it and so on and so forth is how they'll figure that out. Sit, stay. Good. 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 Okay. And just gradually keep building from there. Keep in mind every new context of your movement, how you move, how you talk, how you stand, what you're doing with your hands can all play a factor into their ability to hold the stay. Even you being in and out of sight, how fast you're moving, every little thing can add up, and it's something that you need to practice. No, sit, stay. Good. But no matter what you're working on, you always go back to the dog and give them the reward where they're holding the position. Good. Okay. As long as you stick to those rules, you just layer on more and more complexity and more context. Nova, sit, stay. Good. while, you may just have to get weird with it. You can do some stuff like jump up and down, wave your arms, move funny. Try to draw them in a little bit, but they don't move. That's great. Good. Reinforce them. Then release them. Okay. Teach them that the only time they're allowed to break the stay is whenever you give them the release command and nothing else. Good. I didn't mean to drop that piece, but this is another good example. Dropping food. Good. 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 Okay. How I like to do that is after each drop, I follow up with another reward. So the drop itself becomes the marker, so to speak. Sit, stay. And remember our rule. You always have to reward the dog where they're staying. So if I release her to those pieces, she's getting rewarded away from where she's staying. So that's why I pick them all up and then give them back to her. Okay. You do the same idea, but with toys. I don't have a toy on me. I forgot a toy. But you just put them in a sit, stay, down, stay, toss the ball. If they hold it, go get the ball, pick it up, bring it back, put it in front of them, let them take it. And just one more demo. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put her in a sit stay. I'm going to walk all the way around the building and come out the other end here. And hopefully when I come back around, she'll be in her sit. No, but sit, stay. Good. Okay, good. And there you have it. Teaching a stay is pretty simple, pretty straightforward in my opinion, especially compared to all the other things, as long as you know to reward the dog where they're holding the stay. That's the whole trick.